This Bosch 12-volt max EC Brushless impact driver kit features a very compact but powerful 1/4-inch hex driver, two 12-volts max 2.0 Ah batteries, and a charger. This PS42 driver has a 5.5-inch head length and weighs just 1.6 pounds, but it is a powerhouse. With an optimized impact system, it also has the Bosch performance control system, which supplies two speed settings, one for high speed and high torque and one for low speed and low torque. This delivers no-load RPM ratings of 0 to 1,200 and 0 to 2,600 and no-load impact per minute ratings of 0 to 2,700 and 0 to 3,100. The driver produces 975 inch-pounds of max torque, great for repetitive driving tasks and about 85% of the fastening tasks around the professional job site. The tool's EC Brushless motor and improved all-metal gearbox allow for unmatched efficiency, great runtime, and longer life. This driver has a 1/4 inch hex drive and a 3 LED light ring. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Impact force. The Bosch PS42 provides an optimized impact system. The impact force from this tool makes it an ideal choice for most wood and metal fastening tasks. It has a 1/4 inch hex drive with quick release for more job site productivity. It includes an LED light ring, with 3 LEDs to illuminate the work area for use in dark spots. It also has a battery gauge indicator. Number 2. Performance control. The Bosch PS42 features a performance control system, with two speed settings, one for high speed and high torque and one for low speed and low torque. This helps to alleviate over-tightening of screws. This driver, though, is a professional-grade tool, providing 975 inch-pounds of max torque, great for repetitive driving tasks, as well as no-load ratings of 0 to 1,200 and 0 to 2,600 revolutions per minute and no-load impacts per minute ratings of 0 to 2,700 and 0 to 3,100. Number 3. Small but mighty. A compact tool that can be carried easily. It has a head length of 5.5 inch and a weight of just 1.6 pounds. It still handles 85% of driving tasks on a professional job site. The tool's manageability combined with its lighter weight and ergonomic easy grip handle makes it an ideal solution for overhead applications. The ergonomics and lightweight make it a great tool to use for extended periods. Number 4. Long runtime. The PS42 impact driver has an EC brushless motor and an improved all-metal gearbox, which helps to provide great efficiency and longer life. The tool runs longer at the job site and lasts longer. The EC brushless motor also requires no scheduled maintenance. The driver was constructed with DuraShield housing and a BS nylon composite, giving the housing flexibility on impact, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.